Influencers with millions of followers claiming it restored their faith in cinema. Ryan Gosling's performance is career-defining. The influencer who just called the film a transcendent experience? Let's go back a few videos in their timeline. Oh, what's that? A smiling picture with Ryan Gosling at the Los Angeles premiere. The US government had so much extra milk due to multi-billion-dollar subsidies that they gave the dairy industry. They used consumers' brains to fix the ledger. They launched Got Milk and turned a surplus problem into a celebrity-backed lifestyle choice. The craze of Dubai chocolate. We're in this pistachio oversell. Starbucks. Jeff Bezos has a PR surplus of bad vibes. Link video has the full story.